our lesson for today, we have addition of decimal numbers through thousands without and with regrouping. You have to remember that in adding decimal numbers, you need to arrange the addends or the number that we are adding together so that the corresponding place values are aligned. To do that, we have to align all the given addends vertically. Then add as if you are adding whole numbers. Let us begin with this given example. So solve 2.159 plus 10.183. Step 1 is you need to arrange the addends vertically such that the decimal points are aligned together. So as you can see here, they are aligned vertically. So take note that you have to make sure that the decimal point is or are aligned. Next step, you add similarly on how you will add whole numbers. You start from the right going to the left. So 9 plus 3, that is 12. Regroup 1. 1 plus 5 plus 8 is 14. Regroup 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus, bring down 1. And then do not forget, for step number 3, write the decimal point of the sum aligned with the decimal point of your addends. So you just have to bring down the decimal point in between 2 and 3. So therefore, 2.159 plus 10.183 is equal to 12.342. Next, find 17.216 plus 82.63. So again, we have to make sure that they are aligned together, and also the decimal point are aligned as well. So we have 17.216 plus 82.063. So that is our given. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 1 is 7, 2 plus 0 is 2, and then 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, and then just bring down your decimal point or copy your decimal point here. Make sure that it is aligned into your given addends. So the answer here is 99.279. How about this one? What is 32.648 plus 14.29? So to easily align them together, you can start by putting first your decimal point followed by your whole numbers. This is 32 and then 14, followed by your decimal number part. So this is 648 and this is 29, and then we add. Notice that on your thousandths place value on your decimal part, there is an empty space. So to avoid confusion, you can put a 0 here for you to be able to add it properly. So 8 plus 0, that is 8. 9 plus 4, that is 13. Regroup 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then copy your decimal point. So the answer now is 46.938. Next, add 78.95 plus 123.284. So decimal point, your whole number, this is 78, and then we have 123, and then your decimal number part, we have 95 and then 284. So we can now proceed to addition. You have to make sure again that your numbers are aligned together and also your decimal point. So there is still, or there is again an empty space here. You can just put a 0 for you to add it properly. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 plus 8 is 13, carry 1 or regroup 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 2 is 12, regroup 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 7 plus 1 plus 2 is 10, carry 1 or regroup 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then copy the decimal point. We have now 202.234 as your final answer. Next, this time we have 3 addends. This one, this one, and this one. So how do we add if there are three addends? Same with before, you just have to align all the given place value or the given digits according to their place value, as well as our decimal point. So we have 23.5, we have 42.163, and then we have 158 and 47. Let us add. So let's put 0 here, and 0 here, and 0 here. So 0 plus 3 plus 0, that is 3. 6 plus 7 is 13. Regroup 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. Carry 1 or regroup 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then your decimal point. So we now have 224.133. For the last one, we have 6.548 plus 32.35 plus 391.67. So let's put the decimal point, your decimal point, and then decimal point. So this is 6, this is 32, and then we have 391. For the decimal part, we have 548, we have 35, and then we have 67. We can now add. So we put 0 here. So 8 plus 7, that is 15. We have regroup 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 6 is 16. Regroup 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. Plus 0 is still 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Regroup 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then just copy your decimal point. So we have 429.965. So that is how we add decimal numbers with or without regrouping.